Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to take you through a quick video tour of our Volvo V50. So this is our 2010 Volvo V50 R-Design. It's the 2-litre diesel with the 6-speed manual. It's got a whopping 12 stamps in the service book, showing how well it's been looked after over the years. Whilst on our care, we've given it a service, replaced the battery, the starter motor and the alternator, a few other little bits for its MOT. It's passed MOT with one advisory for a chip on the windscreen, and we've also carried out a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection. Overall, the car's in good condition for the age and mileage. A couple little marks on the bodywork here and there and on the alloys, but really nothing terrible for a 2010 car. Inside, you've got the two-tone half leather R-Design seats, AM/FM radio, CD player, aux input, steering wheel controls, cruise control. A little bit of wear on the driver's seat there, as you can see. Good bit of legroom in the back. All looking really nice. And you've also got a lovely big practical boot to match as well. Very, very good practical motors, these. It's covered just over 115,000 miles, and I think with those service stamps, it really does show it's been looked after. And it definitely does look really, really good with this red paintwork and the silver R-Design highlights. Really is a very, very nice looking estate. Clearly well looked after, ready to go to its new owner. If you like this sort of cars, why not check out our website? All of our stock is listed on there. If you have any questions or queries, please get in touch.